Okay. Hi, my queens and my kings. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, please click the subscribe button. Please. It will help me so much. My goal is to get to at least 500 subscribers. So I don't know if we can make it by the end of December, and if we can, that would be really much appreciated. If you like my content and you want to learn more about your natural hair, I have one other video titled my favorite natural hair products, so if you want to watch that, I will link it in iCards above. So let me know down in the comment section below what kind of videos that you want to see related to natural hair, because like I feel like I'm a little bit versed in my natural hair, but not really. But anyways, enough of me rambling. For this video, I decided to do a natural hair haul. I think I'm slowly becoming just a little bit of a product junkie. I never thought I would become so much of that, but people have told me I do have way too much hair products. The first one is Natural Hair Club. Which one is this? The Damaged Hair Solutions. Like this one I wanted to try because so many people have been ranting and raving about it, and I wanted to try it for myself. I should have gotten like the bigger one, but then I saw that they had like a newer line coming out for sensitive scalp with some other stuff, and I was just like, wow. After I had bought all of this stuff, now you guys want to come out with some more stuff. But if I like the way that this feels on my hair, then I might go out and buy more, but this stuff is expensive. Sticking with Natural Club, I got their growth serum. It's Jamaican black castor oil growth serum with lavender oil. Like I think for this you can pick what kind of like essential oil you want inside of it, which I think is pretty cool. I've been using it a little bit. I don't know if I noticed a difference in my hairline or a difference in my hair growth, but it works nonetheless. And then this one is just pure avocado oil. I remember I used this when I was doing my twists in my hair. I used the LCO method. I had a leave-in conditioner, which was the other product from them, which is their Natural Hair Club Nourishing Avocado Leave-In Conditioner. I used this, and then I used the cream from Aunt Jackie's, which I'll show in the haul. And then I had like something else. It was their avocado oil, and I didn't realize like that moisturized my hair to a T. And my hair is low porosity, and child, my hair soaks up everything. So like that kind of like worked wonders on my hair. And yeah, I like this a lot, but it's expensive, so your girl is going to try and save her coins any way she can. But these three products are amazing. So if you have the little extra money for Christmas, please buy that, or even ask someone to buy it for you, because like these stuff is really good. Item that I got from Natural Club is their medium hold avocado curl custard. I mean, I don't do a lot of stuff with my hair, so like I don't know what was the point of me getting this. Like if you guys know any styles that I can do with curl custard, please don't say wash and go, because my hair don't know what that is, so I'm not gonna do that. But if maybe, I don't know, maybe a ponytail hairstyle. I don't know what to do with this. But we're gonna move on to Aunt Jackie's, because ever since I bought the not today, not on my watch detangler thing, I was trying to explore more of Aunt Jackie's hair products, and YouTube recommended me to watch this video about this hair product, Aunt Jackie's Curl La La Defining Curl Custard. And I've kept seeing like multiple videos recommended for this product, so I wanted to try it, and it works for my twists that I've done in my hair, and it kept it moisturized and looking really nice. I don't know if it works to define curls, because I have not taken out my twists in about a week, 2 weeks. Yeah, I haven't taken it out yet, so like I don't know. But if you want a video on how well this defined my twist out. Let me know. It smells, I don't know, it has like a light perfume kind of smell. And it's like a pinky, no, not pink, like a purple, lilac, lavender, I don't know, color. But it worked well for my hair. So if you have my type hair, which is type 4 hair, I have 4B in the back and 4C, maybe this might work well for you. The last product that I got from Aunt Jackie's is their Moisture Intense Leave-In Conditioner. I've been trying to find more leave-in conditioners because the Curls Blueberry Bliss, I saw that it was $30 for 2 on Amazon, and I really wanted to get the cheaper one, but like I couldn't find it on Amazon no longer. But yeah, this product worked for my hair. The smell is smells like a light perfume. Perfume smells lightweight, so it kind of felt like one of those liquidy. It's kind of very liquidy compared to the Curls Blueberry Bliss that I like to use. But I'm open to trying new hair products that are affordable, because your girl is not balling like that. I might try and pretend like I am, but I'm not. For oils, Wild Growth Oil. I've been wanting to get this for the longest time, but like it's been hard. But your girl found this on Amazon, and I included that in my last video about natural hair. And this stuff, I can't wait to try it again. But I haven't tried it yet because your girl has been busy and been thinking about other things. So this I really am excited to try. So, and one thing that I forgot to mention in my other video was that the last time I used this with Organic Root Stimulator hair fertilizer, and I might insert the picture of how it looks somewhere here. But when I used this and I put this with this, I think, and rosemary oil, I think it worked well for my hair, because you can't use rosemary oil by itself alone, because I heard something about like it needs a carrier oil or something. So like I think I used this and rosemary oil, and then I used the Organic Root Stimulator hair fertilizer, and it was working with my hair pretty well. And I might insert a picture somewhere here of how my hairline used to look like maybe nearly 2 years ago. It must have been 2 years ago that I had my hair, that I was trying to start to regrow my hair, and I feel like I've been making some adequate progress. If you see my hairline in one of my videos, you'll see that it looks really good and full. Your girl stocked up on her favorite hair oil by OGX, Argan Oil of Morocco. This stuff, if you have not tried it, try it. Do not try it as like a regular oil where you just slather it on your hair. Like if you're doing like a protective style like twist or something like that, you should use this as like a sealing oil. Or like maybe like if you're taking out your twist, you can just lightly rub this in your hands and like gently take out your twist. Like this stuff is awesome. Sky Organics, this is their organic unrefined raw mango butter. This is a moisturizing butter. In my last video I mentioned that this is like a good alternative if you don't have shea butter. But the thing is man, I use this, I don't know if it's this particular brand, but like I don't know how to explain it. When I used it in my hair, there was like some weird film on one of the, but like I don't feel it now, but like it was a weird texture. Like I don't know, like it was like some weird stuff inside of it. Maybe I'm just over exaggerating, but like I felt like, I don't know if it's this product or is this how mango butter is in general. Let me know. But I feel like this is pretty cool and pretty nice. I realized that when I used shea butter, raw shea butter, and I used this oil, which I'll bring out next, sweet almond oil, and I mixed it in my hands together, my skin has been feeling really nice and moisturized. And even when hours later I will go and touch my skin will actually feel really soft and supple. So I'm just like, now I'm gonna start using that for winter, because a few years back I used to use shea butter, but I never used to use an oil with it, because I was just like, I don't really pay attention to stuff like that when it regards to skincare. But I started using sweet almond oil, and it's by Now Solutions. So this is also on Amazon, and I'll try and link down below all the products that I've mentioned in this video. This stuff is really good, and nobody ever told me about sweet almond oil. But I started doing research and started looking at stuff, and your girl be buying stuff and thinking that she's a natural hair guru, but your girl is just an average person who just likes natural hair. But yeah, so I would suggest you get this. It serves multiple uses. This one is the Pantene and Pro V Intense Rescue Shots. It looks like this, and let me open it to show you how one of them looks. It looks like this. I just bought it off of Amazon. I saw that they had like a lot of the Pro V Gold Series line products, but like there was some that I was like, I know this is not gonna work on my hair, so I'm definitely not gonna buy it and waste my money. So this one, I've been trying to get into like hot oil treatments, deep conditioning and stuff like that, so I decided to get this, and hopefully it works for my hair. I have not tried any of their products before. I also got this, which is their Panting Gold Series infused with Argan Oil repairing mask. I've heard, ooh, that has like a kind of strong perfume smell. But I wanted to try more hair masks and stuff like that, and I've heard that this and then their other deep conditioner thing, not other deep conditioner, their conditioner thing works the same. So I was just like, might as well use this and see if it works well for my hair. Another product from their line is their Hydrating Buttercream. I wanted to try this on my hair, and it's also infused with Argan Oil. And yeah, nothing much to say about this. I don't know anything about this yet. I do put like creams and stuff like that in my hair whenever I do twists and twist styles and stuff like that, but I don't know. I wanted to try more different types of hair products and stuff like that, and try different styles with my hair. So I don't know, but it just looks like this. This is their deep hydrating co-wash. I'm trying to like stay away from shampoos and conditioners too much. I do want to like implement more co-washing, because in the winter months my hair gets more dry, and the more I use shampoo, I notice that my hair gets stripped, even if it's sulfate free. So I try to limit the amount of stuff that I put in my hair, but then I also don't want to have like product overload and stuff like that on my hair. But I wanted to try this because I like the As I Am Coconut Co-Wash, but I want to also like incorporate more cheaper alternatives and more other hair products, because like sometimes some products might get discontinued. So I just want to have like a wide variety of stuff that I can know like, hey, this works very well for my hair. I saw this one YouTuber, I forgot her name, but she mentioned that this was a cheap natural hair product to use, and it's Garnier Fructis Smooth and Treat 1 Minute Hair Mask, and it's the avocado extract. I bought this off of Walmart, but I did buy the smaller containers from Amazon. I don't know yet if I want to do a giveaway. I will do a giveaway when I reach 500 to 1,000 subscribers, so stay tuned. I will have like a whole variety of like some essential hair products, and like even like some self-care stuff, because I love self-care, and I feel like if you're gonna care for your hair, you might as well also care for your skin in some kind of way, and do things to do stress release, and hopefully like we can grow. So like if you can please kindly share this video with anybody, and like also subscribe if you really like more content like this, and let me know by liking and commenting more stuff that you want to see from me, because I love natural hair. I love putting like head wraps and stuff like that. I also like having my own unique sense of fashion, so if that resonates with you, please click the subscribe button. But that's all for my... Dang, I didn't realize that I didn't buy much stuff. I thought in my mind, I thought I bought more hair products than I did. But I kind of did, but I gave one away to my sister, so hopefully she likes that. But yeah, that's all for my video. And if you did like the video, give it a big thumbs up like I said before. Also subscribe like I said before, and comment, please. We need more engagement on this channel. And with that being said, just be happy, be you, and care for your natural hair, because we're gonna have healthy hair 2020. That is the mission, that is the goal. So with that being said, bye.